I already got the oven preheated. I already have the oven preheated to 375. Guys, and welcome to this edition of Cooking with Talicia's Kitchen. I know I look a mess, excuse me, this bad hair day, about to get my hair done, but I wanted to come to you today because I wanted to show you how to make peach cobbler cake and everything that you would need. Somebody always takes me. Okay, so to make this peach cobbler cake, you will need, I'm mixing this up, so bear with me. I got a yellow moist lemon cake. And I also got a French vanilla cake mix. You're gonna need some peaches, eggs, flour, vanilla extract, pure vanilla bean paste, brown sugar, butter, and syrup. So let's get to the cake pan. Oh, you're gonna need some oil. Let me set this to the side. So, these are my cooking gloves. I use these to cook, not to wash dishes in. So you will need the circle cake pan because the way the peach is gonna lay in there. So you want one of these. We're gonna take some butter and grease the whole pan. Get you some flour and pour it in there. Take this off. And you're gonna just make sure the flour is all around it, and you're gonna get the excess flour off. So I'm going to dump the excess flour off, and then we're going to set this to the side. Now for the cake. There's going to be a lot of cake mix left, so if you want to do something extra with it, like make some cupcakes or something like that, that'll be fine. But pour both cakes in. Mix this. I'm getting cake all over me. And I do have this how to turn a box cake into a cake that tastes like bakery. It has a lot of views. I'll leave that link below. So we're going to put 8 eggs in here. A cup of vegetable oil. A cup of vegetable oil. And then 2.5 cups of milk. Might as well just use all that. Maybe I should have got my mixer, huh? Go ahead and mix it. Okay, this is mixed together. Set this to the side and we're gonna do the peaches. I already got the oven preheated. I already have the oven preheated to 375. So I have a can of peaches. This is 1 pound. I brought some extra ones just in case, because I am going to add some into the cake mix. I might add some into the cake mix. So go ahead and pour your peaches in here. Just look like that should be enough. It's just going to brown the bottom, yes. So I'm gonna just use that 1 can of 1 pound. Just put a dab of vanilla, then a dab of vanilla bean paste, a little sprinkle of syrup, about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, like a teaspoon of honey. You're gonna do a 1/2 cup of regular sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. A teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm gonna give this a good stir. So I'm going to show you the consistency of this and how we're going to put it in there. So as you can see, this is absorbed, so this is like syrup. So we're gonna take the peaches and just lay them in there like that. We'll take this syrup, just sprinkle some in the bottom. I'm just gonna dice up some of these in the cake. This part is optional. And now we're going to just pour this in there. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot, so I'm gonna save some room for it to rise. So go ahead and put this in the oven for 30-35 minutes, but you know how to keep checking it to see if a straw, whatever you get to poke through, if it go through, then that's when it's done. But sit this in the center of the oven, then we're gonna come back. Okay, we are back. It has completely cooled down. I cooled it down on the rack. So what I'm going to do is just place this like this and turn this over. So I'm just gonna sit this right here. So this is the cream cheese icings. I'm going to put this in a microwave for about 10 seconds. I just want it to loosen up because I'm going to drizzle this on there. See what this is working with? Cream, please. I'm just gonna hit this on the side. She see a squirrel and don't know how to act when she sees a squirrel. I wonder, should I put it on the other plate? Let me turn it back this way. I'm just going to do this on the sides first, because I don't know why it didn't come out, but it's moving, so. I'm just pushing this in a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna try this again. It. OMG. Looking just how I imagined it. I need to move this and put it on this one that I got. No, I'm just gonna keep it on this. I ain't gonna worry about it. So I'm going to drizzle some cream cheese icing. I melted it a little bit. Look at that. This turned out perfect. So let's taste this. Okay. Very moist, I can tell. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm really excited to taste how I mixed, because I wanted a more kind of sweeter taste. That's why I did the type of cake mixing I did, the yellow and the French vanilla. This is so bomb. It tastes so good. Exactly what I imagined. Y'all, I love this cake. I want y'all to hurry up and try this and come back and give me some reviews. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, peach cobbler cake.